Saffron Risotto, or better known as risotto alla milanese, a beautiful risotto dish from Milano. And we fill up half glass with boiling water. Now we place the teaspoon of saffron in there. First thing to do with the risotto is we place the butter, so only 40 grams. And together with the butter, we're gonna have the onions. Guys, after a few minutes, we're gonna add the rice. After a few minutes of toasting the rice, we're gonna add the standard glass of white wine. When you see that the rice is drying up, you add more stock. This is the time for us to add the golden liquid. Butter. Now we stir with the butter. Generous amount of pecorino cheese or Parmigiano Reggiano, is up to you. And here we go. Look how wonderful this risotto is. Look how beautiful and creamy this risotto is. Beautiful, creamy, yellow saffron risotto. Milan is in my mouth right now.